Hey there, Math Explorers. I'm JMF, and I'm excited to share something awesome with you. STEM Math Explorers 6th Grade Volume 1. This isn't just another math workbook. It's a fun, hands-on way to dive into math and real-world STEM topics. Whether you're going into 6th grade, already in 6th grade, or even going into 7th, or you're a parent looking for something engaging for your young learner, this book is for you. Let's get into it. STEM Math Explorers 6th Grade Volume 1 is a workbook packed with math and STEM activities for 6th and 7th graders. It covers all the key math topics you need, like whole numbers, rates, percentiles, ratios, fractions, geometry, and expressions. But here's the cool part. It connects them to real-world STEM. You'll explore forces, electricity, volume, density, speed, engineering, and even construction through fun introductions and word problems. Plus, there are practical topics like nutrition, exercise, and money management to help you apply math to everyday life. Each section starts with a clear explanation, then dives into engaging problems that make you think like a scientist or engineer. And the best part? The book ends with an epic STEM project where you design the layout of solar panels for a Mars rover. How cool is that? This workbook is perfect for 6th graders looking to master math, rising 7th graders prepping for the next level, or parents who want their kids to love learning. It's not just about solving equations, it's about discovering how math powers the world around us. For example, you'll calculate the speed of a rocket, design structures like an engineer, or even budget for a healthy meal. These activities build critical thinking and show you how math and STEM connect to careers and life. One parent told us their kid couldn't stop talking about the Mars rover project. It's that engaging. Ready to start your math and STEM adventures? Grab STEM Math Explorers 6th Grade Volume 1 on Amazon.com today. It's the perfect way to make math fun and meaningful. Plus, join my mailing list at join@tfpbooks.com to get free PDF advanced review copies of my upcoming books. Just head there to sign up. Thanks for watching, and let's explore math together.